I've been treating clients for 18 years and treated over 10,000 people. So you get a lot of feedback on what people have tried and what's worked and hasn't worked. And one of the main concerns that people have had from taking the prescriptions on the market, like Chantix is the American version, Champix is the Canadian version. And there's just a lot of negative side effects from this product. A lot of people having disturbing nightmares and dreams, and suicidal thoughts and action is another thing. I've had some clients tell me they wanted to kill themselves while they were on it, so they discontinued the use. I was doing some research and looked at Chantix in the States, and the first year when it came out, there was 10 suicides and over 3,500 complaints about the side effects, the negative side effects of the drug. So in the US, they actually banned the product for pilots and commercial drivers. But in Canada, they have not made the same ban. I guess the Health Canada figures that it's the benefits outweigh the risk involved. But I've talked to a lot of people, and a lot of people told me negative things. I can't say I've heard anything positive about the prescriptions that are on the market, including Chantix. So there's a lot of negative side effects with the drugs that are on the market. And with the Omega Laser Smoking Cessation program, it's extremely effective. People walk in a smoker and then they walk out a non-smoker. It takes about 30 minutes. There's no side effects. The lasers we use are all Health Canada approved for sale in Canada. Very effective program, and I'm sure you'd have great results. You just have to have the desire.